JESUNI was founded since 1996 by Jesse Liau, who was the first IKEA office manager in Taiwan. JESUNI started with furniture and home accessories for export to Europe and Japan. By 2012, JESUNI ran into trade of food and health food industry. And soon later focused on import and export of bioproducts like curcuminoids for pharmaceutical supply. Jes Uni Bio is now specialized in the export of Antrodia Cinnamomea, a special fungus endemic to Taiwan, which was referred as maybe a new light of alternative therapeutics for cancer.